the pen. Scene 3. Now suppose a human opens the door and comes back into the room, and they look down at the table and they see this thing. What does this thing become at that moment? Right, it becomes a pen. So now here's another question. When the empty thing that was sitting on the table becomes a pen, is that person, is that pen coming from its own side, or is it coming from the person? Show me now with your hand. Is the pen coming from itself, or is the pen coming from me? Right, it is coming from me. The pen is coming from me. It's always from me and not from its own side. But wait a minute. If the pen is coming from me, does that mean that I can just make it be anything I want? For example, can I just close my eyes and wish real hot, meditate hot, or even say a mantra, and then this thing will become whatever I want? Can I just wish that this thing was a big diamond, and then it will turn into what I want? Let's see. Let's try it. Oh no, it didn't turn into a diamond. So that's a very important thing to understand. This pen may be coming from me, but that doesn't mean I can just close my eyes and wish real hot. I can't just use positive thinking to turn this thing into a diamond, and that makes sense. You see, everyone wants things, but they don't always get them, and that's because there's something else going on. The pen is coming from me, but not just because I want it to, not just because I am thinking positive. What's really happening is that the pen is coming out of the seed in my mind. There's some kind of potential a seed in my mind, and the pen is coming out of that seed. So there's the seed in my mind that I planted there by something that I did in the past. And then as my eyes catch this thing on the table, and then suddenly it becomes the pen. What's really happening is that at this moment, at the moment I lay eyes on the pen, a seed in my mind split open, and in that tiny moment a small picture pen, a seed in my mind split open, and in that tiny moment a small picture comes into my mind, a small luminous picture made of light, just like the lights here in the hall. And my mind puts that picture on top of the black stick, and the stick becomes a pen. And that's how a pen becomes a pen, and that's how everything in our whole world, all the people and things around us, become what they are: the whole city, the person sitting next to you. They are all coming from me, from my mind. Mind. By the way, the pen thing is the basis of the entire DCI system. You have to hear it 3,000 times before you really understand it.